We'll start with Yogesh. So the first question, what's wrong with the 7 out of Yogesh Phogat? Who wants to take on?
Stubble. Sir, stubble. And hair.
What's wrong with the hair?
Hair is long as compared to the turnout we should have in an interview.
Okay, Yogesh,
Yes, sir.
what do you say about it?
Sir, actually, sir, I have not saved. That is the problem, sir.
What else?
Sir, nothing. The fitting of shirt is not up to the mark, sir.
What's wrong with the fitting of the shirt?
Sir, actually, it is some loose, sir,
What
from
is
the
okay?
shoulders.
It is okay.
Yes, sir.
Shirt is okay.
What else is wrong? You have a mirror with you?
What, sir?
Beard.
You have a mirror with you? You have a mirror with you?
Yes, sir.
Go have a look and come back.
Collar and position of tie.
Go have a look and come back. Yeah, anything?
Sir, I think it will be the tie issue, sir.
Your hair are not properly combed. See here? All of you can see the space. Yeah. Can you all see my this thing?
Yes, sir, I can see.
What is it?
Sir, he has little bit of hair coming out from the right side, his right.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
anything else? Shivansh, what do you say? Shivansh,
Yes, sir.
yeah, Babu,
Good evening, sir.
Babu, what do you say?
Sir, I have noticed that he did not save it, sir, and combed this thing, sir.
Suresh, now you got it?
Yes, sir.
You start the interview now. Okay, Yogesh, are you ready for the interview?
Yes, sir.
How are you ready?
Sir, I am ready with my all of the questions you will ask, sir.
What questions will I ask?
Sir, I am too confident that I will give all the answers of your questions, sir.
What questions will I ask?
Sir, about anything you will ask, I will give the answer, sir.
That's one thing you said, yeah, you're ready for all the questions that I'll ask. I'm asking you, what questions am I going to ask you? Which question?
Sir, about my family background, about myself and about my town and my hobbies and interest and all the other mentioned in my PIP form, sir.
Okay. Start with whatever you have said. Whatever you just said, start with those in the same sequence.
Okay, sir. So, sir, myself is Yogesh Phogat and I am from Bagad, a small town in Jhansi district, Rajasthan, sir. And in my family, sir, there are 4 members: me, my father, and my mother, and my sister. Sir, my father's name is Havaldar Kirpal Singh. He is retired from army. Now he is serving as a government teacher. And my mother's name is Sunita Devi, Mrs. Sunita Devi, and she is a homemaker, sir. Sir, and coming about my education, sir, I have completed my 10th class from Dunlop Public School, Jhunjhunu, and I have scored 7.2 CGPA in my 10th class. Sir, and in 11th class, I have completed my 11th class from St. John's Schools from Sikar and scored 86% in that. And in sir 12th class, I have completed my class from Navjivan Sri Secondary School and I have scored 79.40%, sir. Sir, and coming to my hobbies and interests, sir. Sir, my hobbies is to play badminton and my interest is to be an athlete, sir. Because, sir, I used to prepare for 1600-meter army relay, sir, and I have preparing for athlete of 400-meter race, sir. And I have awarded with the my school in the various co-curricular activities like sports competition, and I have completed my district level tournament also from my school side, sir.
Tell me which is this race of 1600 meters? As per my knowledge, there is no 1600-meter race in athletics.
Sir, it is army relay race, sir. Army rally race.
What is army relay race?
Rally race, sir.
Hmm?
Army rally race, sir.
What is army relay? आर्मी क्या होता है? आर्मी वाली कौन सी रेस है? नेवी में नहीं होती ये रेस?
Sir, it is for joining the army, sir, as a soldier post, or we can say other post, sir.
What is this event? Tell me more about this event. I have not heard of it.
Sir, in this event, sir, many candidates, a batch of it is on the district level to district level rally, sir, like ARO, IRO, and BRO, different type of given, sir. And I am from, sir, IRO, ARO Jhunjhunu, sir. And from in that, sir, there is batch been divided of 250 candidates, and we should complete the race in the given time, sir.
You practice for this race?
Yeah, sir.
You want to join?
Race in 5:20 seconds, sir. 5 minutes and 20 seconds, sir.
You want to join this? Join the army with ARO?
What, sir?
You want to join the army? Get selected from the ARO?
Sir, it is my alternate plan, sir.
What is the alternate plan?
Sir, if I can't get recommended in the SSB in technical entry scheme 45, then I will achieve go through this in the army, sir.
What will you do when what will you be when you join from this army? This stream?
Sir, after commission of the 2 years, I will give the ACC entry examination, and I will go for the SSB, sir.
So again you will need SSB. So what is the point in doing that?
Sir, my point is to, sir, become an army officer, sir.
What is your age now?
Sir, my age is 17 years and 11 months, sir.
So if you don't get selected in SSB now, you will go through ARO. Why will you not change? Why don't want you avail all the chances?
Sir, actually, sir, my main subject is biology, so I can't go for a ND examination, sir. Sir, and coming up to the CDS, sir, CDS is up to the, and now I am in second year, and after CDS examination, we can give in the 4th year, in the year of graduation, sir. So it will be, sir, 2 years more late. So I want to first only join the army only, sir, before my age of CDS appears, sir.
If you still have an age of CDS, why are you here? Then you should straight away go through the ARO.
Sir, I am preparing for technical entry scheme 45, sir.
You are preparing for technical entry scheme.
Yeah, sir.
Now after that you will become a Jawan.
Yes. No, sir. Sir, definitely I will clear the SSB, sir.
So then what happens to your 1600-meter race?
What, sir?
What happens to your 1600-meter race which you have been practicing for?
So, pardon, sir.
What happens to that 1600-meter race?
Okay, sir. Sir, today I wake up early in the morning, sir, and I have gone to the ground, and I have completed my race in the 5 minutes and 20 seconds, sir, with my all the friends and colleagues, sir.
No, I am saying in case you get selected in your technical entry scheme, then what happens to that 1600 meters race?
Sir, definitely it will be in the end that academy also. It will be regular in the practicing. Then I will be doing better in that, sir.
But there is no 1600-meter race in academy.
Sir, there is a tournaments in the academy, sir.
Which tournament?
Sir, like race and all the athlete tournaments, sir.
But there is no 1600-meter race.
So definitely I am preparing for 400-meter race also, so definitely I will go through that, sir.
Okay, but why is it that you want to join the army? That you don't become an officer, you will become a Jawan. Why so?
Sir, this is all the focus is on my sir to becoming an officer and a way to become an officer, sir.
And what do you know about ACC? What happens in ACC?
Sir, ACC entry is for the soldiers who are serving in the Indian Army and after pursuing for 2 years jobs, they can give their examinations in the army by having their studies in the army and then it will be graduated from the college, sir, and after that they are able to join the officers, sir.
So after you, how many years do you need to be trained in ACC?
What, sir?
How many years of training is there in ACC?
Sir, ACC there is 4 year training, sir.
4 years you are in ACC.
Yes, sir.
Do you think it is the right answer? You said you'll give all the answers right, but this is the wrong answer. ACC is 3 years, not 4 years.
Yes, sir.
So what else do you do in ACC?
Sir, after having 3 years regular college, then we will given as a officer, sir.
What give an officer? They give you an officer what?
Rank of an officer, sir.
So after 3 years you will get a rank.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
But I'm telling you, you're not correct. You're wrong. After 3 years in ACC, you still have to do 1 more year in IMA. Then only you will pass out. ACC doesn't make officers at all. Like NDA doesn't make officers. It is the IMA and OTA makes the officer.
Sir, I definitely know all the process. Then I will come back to you, sir.
When will you know it? When will you know it?
Sir, I will know it today only, sir.
Who will you ask?
Sir, I will definitely surf on the internet and our Lokesh sir, sir.
Okay, ask Lokesh sir right now. Ask him right now.
Lokesh sir, how we can go through the army as an ACC entry to become an officer, sir?
Jain sir, army may actually you will after you join as a Jawan, you will have an opportunity to appear for ACC. If you clear ACC exam and SSB part, you will also having a 3 year for academy and 1 year for physical training in Dehradun. So after 4 year after you will get a promotion for a lieutenant.
Okay, now tell me, what have you found out?
Sir, I have found out that after joining as army, we have been go through the examination of ACC entry, and there after their 3 years course will be in the ACC college, and after that 1 year in the IMA Dehradun, sir, and after then we are given the rank of an officer, sir.
Okay, let's say God forbidding you didn't make it there also. What will you do then? But you want to become an officer, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So if that also doesn't happen, then what will you do?
Sir, definitely I will achieve the target, sir.
So let's say if it doesn't happen, then what is the plan, alternative plan?
Sir, I will achieve that, sir.
So let's say alternative plan. If it doesn't happen, then what will you do?
Sir, first of thing that I will make an hard approach to become an officer, and if by chance it will not happen, then I will go through that CDS examination, because sir, my age is not up to, I am eligible for up to that time for CDS examination, sir.
Okay, all your chances are finished. Now what do you do?
Sir, now I will achieve that I am pursuing a BSc B.Ed, is a integrated course of 4 years. Then I will go for them in the teaching line, sir.
Oh no, you already Jawan in the army. You tried for ACC. You couldn't make it. You waived all your chances of ACC. You already is serving Jawan in the army. By now you would have become a Naik. Now what will you do?
Sir, now I will apply for PGT and TGT teachers in the schools of military schools, sir.
How will the army leave you?
No, sir.
Is it possible to leave the army at any time you wish to?
No, sir. After 15 or 17 years, we can leave army, sir. Retirement.
Then you will go for 15 years or 17 years?
Sir, 17 years.
No, but that also is not. It's not much that you say you want to leave and they let you leave. They may or may not. Then what happens?
Sir, I will ask my seniors or commanding officers about all the scopes in the to become an army officer, sir.
No, that is what that is the question I'm asking you. If you exhaust all your chances of ACC, how will you become an officer? And if you cannot become, what will you do?
Sir,
What is
after having a retirement, I will approach to the civil services, sir.
retirement is at the age of 45, 47.
Sir, we can have an early retirement also after the having serving as army in 15 to 17 years.
I'm trying to tell you, no. You may or may not. Provision is there, but there is no guarantee that you will get a retirement. There will be a committee which will see why you want retirement. If you have a genuine reason back home, they may give you. Otherwise, they can refuse. And everybody doesn't get a retirement after 15 years, pensionable age. What will you do in that case?
Sir, I will definitely apply for many ranks in the army, sir. For the proportion.
You will apply for what?
Like JCO's entry and examinations are there in that. I will have a promotion in that, sir.
That to automatically hota jayega. That you don't have to apply for it. Your company commander will make sure that you start appearing for all the exams. To become a Havaldar, to become a Naik, to become a Havaldar, to become a Naib Subedar. So you will be satisfied with becoming a Subedar Major.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Babu,
Sir,
you are the commanding officer. He will come to you. That I have exhausted all my ACC chances.
yes,
Give
sir.
me retirement. Retirement के लिए आपने recommend कर दिया. Committee ने इसको not recommended कर दिया. He is very keen to become an officer. So what should he do now? What should
Sir,
he do now?
I will suggest him for SEO commission, and after
tell him.
that,
Don't tell him. Tell him, not me. I know it.
Yogesh,
He doesn't know it.
Yogesh,
Yes, sir.
there are three entry in army. One is ACC up to 27 years. After that, 27 up below 35 years as SEO, which is special commissioned officer. In SEO, there is no written examination. Direct SEO, SSB you can attend. If you could not clear the SEO, then you have a chance for PCSL up to 42 years, sir, which I am applied now. So in PCSL you will get 3 chances, 3 SSB.
Yeah.
Total 9 SSB you can attend in the service entry.
Okay.
I will suggest you for SEO commission. This is also very good.
Yeah, Yogesh.
Yes, sir.
Suppose you did not make it by ACC, what will you do now?
Sir, I will definitely ask. I will definitely go through the senior commanding officer, sir, commissioned officer, sir.
What has Babu told you just now?
Sir, before the 35 year, we can apply for senior commissioned officer, sir. And after the age, there are 3 attempts. And after the as a senior commissioned officer, we can apply for PCSL also. That is Babu sir is applied for. We can give 3 times. Yeah.
So you told me in the beginning that you are very confident you will give me all right answers. But then you couldn't give me the right answers. Firstly, Babu has to come to your rescue, or even friend Lokesh had to come to your rescue, isn't it? But you were confident you will give me the all right answers.
Sir, up to the knowledge I have given to all the answer. And if I felt I don't know about anything, then I will approach to the surfing on the internet, and I have approached to my senior, sir.
That means you had not done your homework properly. You had not found out कि अगर ACC में भी नहीं हुआ तो क्या हो?
Sir, I am too much confident that I will crack the SSB in all the attempts or even in the technical entry scheme, sir.
This is what you should have told me before, and not led me into ACC, which took almost 15 minutes of time, and you were not sure about it. If you are sure, yes, you have done well in your interview, but you were not sure about it. So why bring in the element of ACC? Yeah, I'll go as a Diwan. Because you said 1600-meter race. If you had said 4 into 400, I would not have asked you that question. There's nothing called 1600-meter race. That whatever ARO does, that is the ad hoc thing. There's no event in the athletics called 1600 meters. But yes, 4 into 400 meters relay is there. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So you should, if you would not have said 1600 meters, I would not have asked you that question. And it would not have gone to ACC, ARO and blah, 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 blah. Okay? But if you knew everything well, take it up. So that you keep confidently giving answers.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now tell me, what attracts you to join the army? What is so great about the army?
Pardon, sir?
What is so great about the army? Why not become a corporate? Why not become a chief executive officer in a company? Why not
Sir,
become
my aim to become an army officer because, sir, I like the discipline, activities, and the time management of an army officer, sir.
What is the time management of an army officer?
Sir, all the routines and from the college, sir, that is up to this time you should have a lunch and all these activities, sir.
Give me a time management of army officer routine. What is the routine of an army officer?
Sir, I don't know about it. I will let you know after in the conference, sir.
Okay, comments.
So my comment on the Yogesh interview is that, so firstly, as he included about the 600-meter race, that you already covered that, and also, sir, that at the time you asked that what's attract you about the army, at the time he can include the that the chatword code that is in the IMA that you have already told in the video. So that's why it seems.
You are a new chap, so you may not be aware of the template. Okay,
Yes,
Gaurav, tell us about the template.
Sir, I couldn't hear him well, Jatin. So can Jatin, can you please tell again what were you talking about?
File
Yes, sir.
your comments on
Uh,
interview.
Sir, he was confident, but he was not aware of some topics. तो उसे थोड़ा over confidence हो गया था. बाकी that he was looking confident. He was trying to give the answers, and at some point कि वो convince भी easily कर पा रहा था. That's it.
Good point. He was becoming a little overconfident.
Overconfident.
Okay, Babu, comments.
He is answering slightly speed, sir, and
Like-
it shows the nervousness, sir. That apart from that, nothing, sir.
Where was he nervous? Tell him.
जो he was जो speed बोल रहा था उसमें कुछ I felt that slightly nervous. So he ended that, and he did not, उसने जो भी अपना जो लीड देते हैं सर, उसको वो जब हमको पता नहीं है ACC के बारे में, जो सर्विस सेंटर के बारे में, तो उसके बारे में बताने नहीं था. He never mentioned that.
Yeah, Shivansh, what are your comments?
Sir, according to me, sir, he was well confident and he was
Shivansh, you are not audible. The Gaurav, give your comment.
First things first, you need to improve your turnout. You need to take care of your hair and your stubble. Second thing is, you were confident in starting, but the more the interviewer was getting into your personality, the less confident you were becoming. So this is to be improved. You should stay confident at every stage. Third thing is you went completely quiet at a point. Completely quiet. You were blank. That should be avoided at every extent. किसी भी तरीके से don't be quiet. Start thinking. Think about it. Take time. Take 2 to 5 seconds. Think, but after that speak. Always give answer. Don't stay unanswerable to any question. After that, think about the next question before answering. Your next question will be framed from your own answer. So make sure you don't say something which you don't know about. After that, one more thing is know about all the entries. If you are going for direct commission, you're getting directly commissioned as an officer, think about it, know about it. If you want to join as Jawan, after that you want to join as a soldier, as a commissioned officer, so you should know all the entries about that too. And moreover, you should have a reason why do you why do you want to go as a soldier, not as an officer directly. So you should always have a reason for that. After that, one more thing is that speak in a flow, speak in a normal pace, and whenever you are speaking, don't speak in high pitch, because when you do that, your voice became ununderstandable. So speak in a moderate pace and moderate pitch.
Okay, Yogesh, give your comments. Whatever you heard about the people talking about you, do you agree with them, don't agree with them, or what do you feel about yourself?
Sir, I am agree with my all the formal speakers, and I am not too much confident about the entries after becoming as a Jawan. So I should know about all the entries after getting as a soldier, post, and I should know about all the things, and not to be quiet at a point that I am quiet at that point that you are after becoming a Jawan, for which entry you will go. Sir, I am totally quiet at that point because I have not views about that point, sir.
Your problem is that you are very determined to join the army, which is a very good thing. And you are fairly confident most of the time. But unfortunately, you also studied that, you found out that you should join as a Jawan, which is not a bad thing. Like if you're a young guy, if you join as a Jawan, if you don't get selected in SSB, you spend all your chances here. Then you join as a Jawan as early as you can, and then go through SSC entry, and then become an officer. And if you cannot clear the SSC also, then you go as a SCO, that is specially commissioned officer, special commission. And then is your ECSL. And still you have your territorial army option also available. So all these things should be known to you properly. So lesson for all of you, whatever entry you've chosen, there will be some time, if in case you get selected, is fine. If you don't and expend all your chances, you should know what are the chances available to you for the other entries. And at what age. This entire information till the end should be with you. You can become, if you do your MA, you can join Army Education Corps as a Havaldar also, as an officer also. What is the age? Age is different. Okay? If you still don't make it, to get enrolled as a Jawan, what is the age limit for Jawan? And thereafter, what is the age limit for ACT and other entries? So this particular procedure, you should all go into and make sure that you have 100% knowledge about it. Otherwise, you are confident, Yogesh. This same Josh, if you show in front of the GTO as well as the psychologist, you will make it. There's no doubt in my mind. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Sir, one more thing is, sir, he can improve his communication skills, and he was looking slight right.
Communication
What was he looking
skills,
at? I don't know.
all of you need to improve your communication skills.
Yes,
You
sir.
must practice your English language every day. So at least 4, 5, 6 times, you must read something and speak in front of the mirror. Must listen to the WION news or English news. Must see English movie. Okay? Must read something. And then I told you competition success reviews, must read those articles and speak in your own language. That has to be improved, because if you speaking good English, your half the battle is won. Is that point clear?
Yes, sir.
Now we come
Yes,
to
sir.
Shivansh. Okay, Shivansh, switch on your video. Shivansh, yeah. Shivansh, are you ready? Shivansh, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
I said, are you ready? Yeah. Are you ready, Shivansh?
Yes, sir. Jain, sir.
Shivansh, tell me, what entry are you applying for?
Sir, I've applied for the NDA NA entry.
So what do you want to join, NDA or Navy?
Sir, I want to join National Defense Academy.
Why not Naval Academy?
Sir, I don't have that much interest in the Indian Navy, and I want to join the Indian Army. That's why I want to join.
Why is that you don't have interest in Indian Navy? What's wrong with Indian Navy?
Sir, there is nothing wrong with the Indian Navy, but sir, my interest is more in the Indian Army.
Tell me the reason. Tell me the reason why you have more interest in the Indian Army.
Sir, actually, sir, I've been in Army public school since my childhood, and I've seen all the Army officers and how does an Army work. And recently, when I was in class 10th, I had joined NCC, and for 2 years I have served in the NCC as a cadet. And sir, there my wing was Army wing. And sir, my most favorable reason to join Army is that, sir, I want to join the Armored Corps, and that is only available in the Army.
Okay, Shivansh, which Army school have you studied?
Sir, I am in Army Public School, Bhopal.
Okay, Bhopal. Okay, tell me, what is so special about the Armored Corps? Why do you want to join the Armored Corps?
Sir, actually, sir, from my childhood, I have seen many tanks that has been showcased in the Army area in the Bhopal, in the various Army stations I have visited. And sir, the armored, the officer from the Armored Corps wear the black dungarees and the black beret. So that is the main reason I want to join.
So if it is black dungaree, black beret, what's wrong with green dungaree and green beret?
So that is the secondary reason. There is nothing wrong with that.
Then why do you say black is better?
Actually, because sir, it is only worn by the officer and jawans of the Armored Corps.
Tell me, which all tanks have you seen in Bhopal? In Army area?
Sir, I've seen T-72, Vijayant, and sir, T-90 tanks. Some of them are at Yuddha Astal near 3ME Center, Bhopal.
And have you gone inside a T-72?
No, sir, they don't. Army person, they don't permit to go inside the army tank.
So what is the name? What is the name of Indian T-90 tank?
So Bhishma.
Bhishma, good, Shawar. Okay, now tell me, if you join the Armored Corps, how do you think it will be better than becoming an infantry officer, or it is better than being an artillery officer, or becoming a better than AD officer? What are the advantages of being an Armored Corps officer?
So the advantages are not advantages that sir, it has been my interest in the Armored Corps from my childhood. So sir, if I get the Armored Corps, that will be very more beneficial, and I will be able to work properly, and I will be able to give a proper 100% to the Indian Army.
How?
So because we all know that whenever we have an interest in certain topic or any like thing, so we give our best in that. So sir,
But everybody gets the best. Not only Armored Corps. I am not Armored Corps officer, but I still get the best.
Sir, because sir, Armored Corps in the infantry goes it is the first level whenever the battle begins, and sir, then comes the Armored Corps. So sir, I want to ride a tank. That's why.
That you can ride right now. Come to me, I'll take you for a tank ride tomorrow morning. Riding the tank is not a big
For that, sir, I will be able to ride a tank only once. But sir, I want to do that every single day. when I will be in the army.
So do you think the tanks are air conditioned?
No, sir. Tanks are meant for battle, not for the luxury.
But tanks in the air defense of which I am part, all my tanks in the air defense are air conditioned. Would you like to sit in a tank?
No, sir.
Or you want to be 50 degrees centigrade?
Sorry, sir. Can you repeat?
Why do you want to sit in a tank which has got a temperature of 50 degrees centigrade? Rather than an air defense tank, which is air conditioned.
Sir, I will think about that after my commission, when I will be commissioned in the army. Right now, I cannot decide.
Yeah, but tell me, why should a tank of air defense tank can be air conditioned? Why don't they air condition the armored core tank?
Sir, as far as my knowledge, sir, I don't know that tank are air conditioned. Either in the ordinance, either in the regiment you are telling. I don't.
Yeah, let's say Shilka is also a tank. Have you heard of a Shilka?
What, sir?
Shilka air defense system. Have you heard of it?
No, sir, I don't know about that.
Usa air defense system. They're all tanks, and they are air conditioned. Some are tracked, some are
I'm sorry, sir, I don't know, but I will get back to you with the answer next time whenever we meet.
Okay, fine. Go. Okay, tell me now, let's say you don't become an armored corps officer. You become an infantry officer and you're posted to Siachen. What do you do?
Sir, I will join the infantry, but there are certain provisions in the army that we can change our regiment. So, sir, I will.
Don't agree to your change of regiment.
What, sir?
They don't agree to your change of regiment.
So then I will serve in the infantry also.
What happens to your interest of joining the army?
Sir, because I have to serve in the army, and if my seniors are saying that it is not possible, so I will have to serve in the infantry only.
So, okay, now tell me something about your girlfriend.
What, sir?
Tell me something about your girlfriend.
Sorry, sir, I didn't have any girlfriend.
Yeah, well, you don't study in the co-ed school, army school.
Yes, sir, army school is in co-ed school, sir, but I have many friends, girlfriends, but sir, not as.
You tell me any of the girl who's your friend.
Yes, sir.
Tell me about any girl who's your friend.
Sir, one of my friend is my classmate, and she is a very good studies student, and she helps me a lot in studies and many of the advice that I want to. Her name is Akshata.
You told me that she studies. शर्म नहीं आती लड़की से मैं मांगता हूँ.
No, sir. So we are in the classmates, and it is.
लड़की से मदद मांगनी है.
No, sir. There is nothing difference between the girl and the boy.
Machoism doesn't get.
What, sir?
Your machoism doesn't get. You're a macho.
No, sir.
Why?
Sir, there is nothing like that, sir. Boys can't go for asking about anything with the girl. So we both are equal nowadays. And
You know, just 2 minutes time. Think about yourself. What do you want to tell? Whatever.
Sir, basically, sir, I am Shivan Sharma from Bhopal, and I have been studying in the Army Public School since my childhood. And my family, my father, my and married to a police inspector Gwalior, and my elder sister the same.
Shivash, we are not able to hear you. Your internet is not proper. If your internet is not proper, how are you expecting to join the army?
So my internet is okay, but sir, since I have also have to attend.
Today was the interview. Normal also, but it's not sure that everything is properly. Today on an interview date, everything is garbage.
Sorry,
Okay.
sir, for
Okay. File comments on the interview.
Sir, interview was good. He was confident also.
What else?
That's it, sir.
Okay, Gaurav.
The interview was good, sir, and he was very good. I am pretty happy with the interview. The some points I will like. Firstly, the good things I liked are that his answer were crisp and to the point. Second thing is when he said that tanks are for battle, not for leisure. That point made me very happy. It was a fabulous point. He just banged it. And after that, something which I thought that is not good is his energy is low. It looks like he's speaking very slowly, so that can be improved. He's confident, he's very confident. He's good at speaking. His communication skills are okay, and he looks up when he thinks, so it can be minimized. Second thing is pace can be controlled. Third thing is he was apologetic for his single status, that he is single, so that shouldn't be there. Since he was very good, I noted it, this thing. Otherwise it is okay, doesn't matter. And he blinks his eye too much when he is speaking. That's all.
Shivash, have you understood?
Yes, sir. I will surely, sir. I will.
Okay, now statement tanks are meant for battle and not for leisure. Geeta,
Yes, sir.
Gaurav Sharma,
Yes sir, yahi tha.
you are impressed with this?
Yes sir.
You are impressed with this?
Yes sir, I'm impressed with it.
You mean to say air defense tanks where air conditioning is there, they don't fight the war?
Shivans, can you mute? Sir, tanks are only for battle. If there is something, if it is air condition, it is for the convenience of the soldier, not for leisure. For leisure, I can buy a supercar. For fighting battle, I can use a tank. It is.
You is that yes, armored core tanks are not air conditioned because they're meant for fighting. And air defense tanks, like I gave you example of Shilka or Osa AK or Tunguska, they are air conditioned. You think they are for the leisure? They are for the convenience of the soldiers? You don't want to give convenience to the armored core soldiers?
Sir, I'm saying something else. I'm saying
I'm
whatever.
asking this only. Why are they air conditioned?
There should be air condition, but it is something a soldier should not be complaining about. It is something the government should provide to the soldier. Soldier is meant to fight.
His soldier should be provided with air conditioning to fight, is it?
Sorry.
Soldier should be provided with the air conditioning by the government to fight. Is that what you want to say?
I want to say government should do whatever they can, whatever is acceptable and is good for the convenience of the soldier. It can be the AC, it can be the airfares, anything.
Why is it good to give the air conditioning to a soldier who's from the air defense, army air defense, and not to the armored corps? Why?
I don't think there is anything like that. There can be a problem with the hardware, the weapon they are using. That air conditioner cannot be fitted in the armored core tanks, but it can be fitted in the air defense tanks. That can be a case, but it is not like that. One should get, one should not get. It can be a limitation of the hardware.
Limitation of the hardware. So
Can
air
be.
conditioning should be given to soldiers to fight, but it is because of the limitation of the hardware you're not giving it to the armored corps. Is that you want to say?
Sir, my point is being made up. My point is that convenience, a soldier who is fighting should get convenience, whatever convenience is needed to fight. But
have you ever fought in the gully also? Street में किसी से लड़ाई हुई है किसी दूसरे लड़के से?
Yes sir. हुई
वहाँ पे
होगी.
कौन सी convenience थी वहाँ पे? Fighting में कौन सी convenience है? Okay, Lokesh, can you answer?
Sir,
Why air conditioning required in the air defense tanks like Shilka Hosta and not the armored corps. तुम भी engineers वाले हो, combat engineers में गए कभी? Assault engineers में?
यस यस सर।
Assault engineers में air conditioning होती है?
नहीं सर, है नहीं है कोई टैंक में।
तो एयर डिफेंस वालों को क्यों देते हो?
एक्चुअली राजस्थान में वगैरह गर्मी बहुत ज्यादा है सर, यहाँ
तो
प्लेन एरिया में
55 डिग्री होती है, आर्मर्ड कोर भी ऑपरेट करती है, मैकेनाइज्ड भी करते हैं, सब करते हैं, बट सिर्फ एडी वालों को ही क्यों देते हो या सिग्नल्स वालों को क्यों देते हो?
सर उनके पास कंप्यूटर वगैरह रहता है सर, उसको कूल करने के लिए चाहिए, दूसरा वाला टेक्नोलॉजी रहता है।
बताओ सबको।
बहुत सारा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है, उसको कूल करने के लिए एयर कंडीशन दिया जाता है।
गौरव शर्मा, एयर कंडीशनिंग इज नॉट फॉर द सोल्जर्स, इट इज फॉर द वेपन सिस्टम, द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, मिसाइल्स, computers. It is air conditioning is for those. That clear, Gaurav?
Sir, it is clear, but I am not agreed to the point.
Which point you are not agreeing to?
Sir, then we have AC fitted luxury cars for the officers. Why is that for? So everything has a reason.
Tank is not your car. Tank is a weapon system. Weapon system of air defense, signals, and some of the people from the even engineers, they have sophisticated electronic systems fitted, computers, missiles. It is all electronics. So they need air conditioning. Air conditioning is not for the men. Air conditioning is for the components, so that they keep functioning properly even when it is 55 degrees temperature. You can
Right, sir.
take an egg, break it on a tank. It will become a single fried egg, like it happens on a tawa. It is that hot. Okay.
True, sir.
Their electronic components cannot survive. Electronic components mean your computers, your missiles, your radars. So air conditioning is provided to these components, not to the Jawans. Okay, or the officers. It is not meant for them. Jawans or officers don't need Indian Army, Indian Navy, Indian Air Force. Wherever there's the electronic components, air conditioning is provided because it's required.
Yes.
Men or the officers don't require. You're battle hardened. Even in 55 degrees, in the thick of month of June, July, June, you will be in Rajasthan operating and operate normal. Okay? So that's what is Indian Army.
टैंक के अंदर और भी ज्यादा गर्मी हो जाता है सर, बाहर तो 50 होता है, टैंक के अंदर 60 तक चला जाता है।
And especially when the tank engine is running, what is the horsepower of the engine? How much heat would it be producing? And yet you function properly and fight. Okay? So avoid superfluous sentences. But anyway, I blew this point up because I wanted you to know that air conditioning and all, you can go to a corporate if you want air conditioning. It is all meant for the system and not for the individuals, whether they are officers or the Jawans are individuals. Okay? Like 2 years back in 11 Corps, the Corps commander had come and given order, no air conditioner even in office of anybody, even in peacetime. Forget about the equipment.
यस सर। और सर गौरव शर्मा के माइंड में ये है कि अफसर को अलग ट्रीटमेंट है, जवान को अलग ट्रीटमेंट है, बोथ आर सेम ट्रीटमेंट, कोई अलग ट्रीटमेंट नहीं है दोनों।
Nothing like that.
आप बोल रहे थे ना, जवान कंप्लेन नहीं करना इसलिए टैंक में एसी लगा दिया, वैसा कुछ नहीं है, दोनों के लिए सेम फैसिलिटी है फौज में।
Okay, to clear to everybody. Okay, now we'll have forget. Yogesh, give your Shivansh.
Sir, okay. So, sir, Shivansh, your tone of speaking is not up to the mark. You should speak in front of you are too confident about your points, but your way of speaking looks like that you are lazy towards your point. So you should, while speaking, you should increase your tone of speaking, and otherwise your points are very confident. You are very confident about all your points. Yes, sir.
Jatin Thakur.
Yes, sir. He has a very low voice, but at the same time, he was confident that what he was saying, and also was good to his point.
Any negative thing that you found there?
Sir, I think the negative thing was that as he has the low voice that it doesn't seem that he was that much confident in saying that what he was saying.
Okay, Piyush Sharma is there. Okay, Shivansh, you heard everybody talking about you.
Yes, sir, I heard everyone and I will try to repeat.
What would you do? What areas you will address?
Sir, I will try to focus on the body language during my the interview and the tone of speaking to more definitely.
Shivansh, you have the things right, but there's no energy in your voice. Now you're speaking in a not manner. You see how Yogesh, how Gaurav speaks, how Payal speaks, how Lokesh speaks. So do you not? That is your biggest. That's the
Sir, I will
thing.
try to implement and I will speak like
Good right now. Right, good right now. It's the way I'm talking. Am I not talking with a lot of energy? Because that is all that you need to do. Rest you will make it very easy. Okay.
yes, sir.
So any point from anybody?
7. Sir, 9 people's interview has completed, sir. Have been completed, sir. Baki remaining, sir, Gurmeet, Ritik, Mayur, Niharika, Payal, and Lalit, sir. These people's interviews are remaining, sir.
And none of them are present over here today.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me call it off. So join back again 6:30 for the class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then, sir.